Greetings everyone, welcome to another video. Today I made some improvement on my mini-ITX PC. As you can see here, I basically installed two more fans on bottom of the case to improve airflow, and this is very inexpensive and very easy to do. So why don't you stick around and I'll show you how. I went to Amazon and find the cheapest fan, so I'm not sure that's a good idea, but I pay about $20 for this. When I read the review, it's really not bad, and I want to spend too much money on fans since I'm going to use it for exhaust or maybe intake. It depends on how it goes. In the box itself, it comes with three separate fans. It's just 120mm fans. I'm going to use two, so I don't need to the third one. The nice thing about this particular fan is they come with this controller. As you can see, it's inexpensive. It's made of plastic. I'm not sure how this how long this will last. Allows me to plug in 10 fans here. As you can see, there are 10 different ports, and it's powered by a SATA, which is interesting to say the least. Other than that, it comes with bags of screws, a controller, a remote control, something to, I guess, prevent vibration from the fan and the PC case, and it comes with a set of instruction in English. There you go, in Chinese. So this is the first time I'm doing it. I'm not sure how this will work. So what I intend to do is maybe put the fan here as an exhaust and this side as an intake. So I'm going to try to move the airflow by pushing the air in here and then suck the air out, so to cool the components as much as possible. I already took out the acrylic case here, and I'm going to flip it over to see if I can make this work. So hopefully you watch the entire video, the entire process, to see how it is done. So on the bottom, it looks like this. There are 4 screws holding up the acrylic case, and I took this out, and this is the bottom part with an opening for airflow. So I took one of the foam that comes with it and glue some I guess foam here for dampening the noise, and I'm gonna screw on the case itself, one for intake and one for exhaust. Now I have both fans screwed on the case itself, so this is going to exhaust out and this is going to suck the air in, and I'm hoping with the wires on the top here I can make the wires I guess much cleaner, and I'm really hopeful. So I'm gonna continue with the next step. I'm gonna screw the case in and snake the wire inside the case, and hopefully they are not that noticeable. So I put the acrylic case bottom back in, and here are the two plug that I need to plug into the controller. So the next step is to plug the controllers here, and I'm going to use a double-side tape and glue it on this side. But first I need to be able to snake this the SATA cable through a tight opening right here and go to the back. That's where the SATA cable is. So that wasn't too bad. I was able to snake the SATA cable around the fan, and then through the opening right here. Maybe it's very hard to see, and I was able to double side tape the controller on the bottom, plug in these two wires in, and I'm gonna turn it around and power the SATA cable. So this was the SATA cable that I was able to pull through, and this is the SATA cable to power the hard drive, and you can tell by kind of an L shape here. So I'm going to use this and plug into either one. I think that should be okay. So it's a mess on the back because, like I said, I don't have to repeat it too many times. This case is very tight, and since this is on the back, nobody can see it. So let me plug this in, and I'm gonna put the computer pack back together and hope for the best. So my PC is working now. I plug everything in, everything turns on. As you can see, the RGB lighting for the new fans, they are working great. The controller itself is not blocking anything. I do have the remote control here. I can change the color as I see fit. I can increase the lighting if I want. Now is an auto mode, so the color is changing by itself. Let me change to green and purple, or kind of blue indigo, yellow, orange, and everything works. So I'm pretty happy with the products, even though it's only $20 and it's really inexpensive. Here is the box itself. Really, nothing so dramatic, but I guess that's why it's cutting costs by printing this box. As long as it works, I'm happy. It's really not that difficult, really, just a couple of screws, and the most difficult part is trying to understand or trying to figure out where you want to put the wires. As you can see, this case itself is pretty tight. There is still a lot of wires hanging out. I guess that can be helped given that this is a mini-ITX case. So for now, I'm very happy with the purchase, and hopefully this will help lower the temperature inside. That's it for now. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please click on the like, and again, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When I post more videos, you will be notified. That's it for now, signing off, and thank you for supporting my channel.